Good day everyone and welcome to Techish Training Academy. In this video we'll be standardizing date formats. Now we are on data cleaning, the topic data cleaning. We have been answering questions using this data set. Here we'll be finding out how to standardize data sets in this video. So our question for this video will be: date column has 1/5/24, that is the 5th of January 2024 and 10th of January 2024 and January 15th 2024 and also 25th of January 2024. How do we make them all the same? Now we are going to arrange this in different formats. We'll first see how to arrange it in the slash format. We'll see how we arrange it in the dash format, in this lettered formats. We'll see how we arrange it year first, then month second, then date. So we'll see the different formats in this video. So to do this, remember this is the data set we'll be using. You can see here we have 1/5. We have different formats. We have here 1/5. We have January 15th. Here is supposed to be dash and dash. So it's just basically the same thing. We'll see different formats of that dash as we progress. So to answer this question, the first thing to do will be to select the column tab. Select this tab, then go to data, your data tab on the ribbon. When you select this column, go to your data tab on the ribbon, then go to text to column. According to our steps here, as we've gone to text to column, click next twice and choose date to MDY. So you click next twice, 1 and 2, you change date to MDY, and then you finish. Then next, so remove this thing from order, put it at tab, remove it from order and leave it at tab, and then next, choose your dates and finish. As you can see, we have two different formats here. Here we have the dash format, here we have the slash format. So the question is, how do we make them all the same? So to make them all the same, the first thing we'll do, we'll come over here. This text to column, let me explain this before we proceed, is to split a single column of text into multiple columns. As you can select a column full of names into separate first and last names. You can choose how to split it up, fixed with or split at each comma, period, or other character. Now what this is saying is that if you have something like John Smith, you have Joe West, and you have Sky / West. What this text to column function does, what it does is that it can split this entire text like into two columns, two separate columns. You can take a text in a single column and divide it or separate it. So now we can go with, we can split it with space. Anywhere there is space, if you notice here is the preview. If you put space, everything with space will be separated. If you put comma, the comma too also be separated. Then if you put slash, you can see it's separated. But if you remove this, it's the same. You remove this, it's the same. You remove this, it's the same. So it's to split text into different columns. That's what the text to column function does. But now that's not what the question asks us. The question asks how do we make them all the same? That's all the dates. How do we make it all the same? First we highlight the column, then we'll right click. We'll come to format cells. because according to our steps here, after we click finish, we format the cells as MMDDYYY. So that is the format we have to use. So come over here, right click, come to format cells, and then we go to date, because it's date we want. We are not working on numbers, currency, we are not accounting, it's not time, not percent, not fraction, not text, none of them, just date. So when we've clicked on date, we'll pick our sample, the format we want to use, and the format is DD, month, date and year, month, date and year, MDY, month, date and year, the first one, which is 3rd of March and 14th of March 2012. So we can use that. As you can see, this here has been changed to match the rest. There are multiple formats we can use here. We can use this Wednesday, March 12, 2012. So why is showing this? Because the values are too much for the cells to display. So we spread it out, and now we can see our date, which is on Friday, January 5th, 2024, Wednesday, January 10th, 2024, so on and so forth. There are other formats we can use. We can use this dash format. You can see all the dates are arranged in the year, month and date format. Year, month, date, YMD. There are multiple formats of date that we can use here. We can use this. You can see it here: February, January, March. Only the month and the date is required here. Also here we can use this one. And we can get, we see all of them is 12 p.m. or the date is 12 a.m. You can see how it changes. So, but the question is, format cells DD and YY. So that is month, date, year. Month, date, year, we'll use the first format. Or is there any other one? Month, date, year. Month, 1st of year is 5th of January 2024. So month, date and year. With that we've answered the question. We have answered this question. Date column for this and that are different. How do we make them all the same? We have answered this question using this. So now with this format, with this method, we can make arrange the dates of any cell, of any data set, however we choose. If the date is incorrect or the date has a different format, all we have to do, like I said, highlight the column, format cell. This format cell is to change the way a cell is arranged. You can also format the time, you format the date, you can format the currency, the number, so on and so forth. But we are working with date here, so go over to date, pick your format out of the listed formats. You can also pick a location. You can pick a location, any location where you are in, you pick it and select it. But this is not the location we are in. We are in here, so you just pick and arrange it in date, month and year format. With that, we'll answer the question for this video. I'll see you in the next video. NS